Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Being Mommy and More. So for this cooking video, I'll be making a very favorite of mine, Bistek Tagalog or beef steak. And these are the ingredients for the marinade. 200 grams of thinly sliced ribeye or steak beef, 1 lemon sliced in two, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic crushed, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a pinch of ground black pepper. To start off, combine all the ingredients together, mix it well, and seal it afterwards. So this is the marinade, and leave it inside the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight. So these are the other ingredients for cooking this dish. Additional 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium-sized onion sliced into rings, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1/4 cup of beef stock. On a hot pan, pour the oil. When it starts to heat up, fry the beef slices on medium heat. Fry the beef slices on each side for several minutes until it renders a nice color. Don't over-fry the beef, as it will be tough to chew later on. Turn each side to cook evenly. Once it starts to dry up, take the beef out and set aside. Using the remaining oil, Saute the garlic. Then add the marinade and mix it well. At this point, you can add the beef stock to add flavor and liquid on the sauce. Mix it well to combine. When it simmers, add the cooked beef slices and let it simmer for a few minutes. Cover for a few minutes with a lid to let it cook through. Now you can add the sliced onion rings. And here's my cooked Bistek Tagalog. I hope you will like this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.